Hello everybody, so this is my dryer. It's been going really good. It's a very old model, but it was really sturdy. Unfortunately, a couple of days ago it tripped the breaker. So let me tell you what I found and how to fix it. So I took away this top lid. It has two screws on the back, one there and one there, and this thing comes off. So I'll do that. I just slid the lid towards the back and then lift it up. Of course, the power plug is removed. And what I saw that there's a capacitor here. I don't know what it was. It had white dust on it. So whenever you see a capacitor that has white dust, you know that it's gone. This is the power line coming in. I figured that's what it was. I also took apart this side panel to check everything out, but then I noticed that that thing that looked like a capacitor to me was with white dust, was covered in white dust. So I removed it, and it was also a little bit bulged. What I did then was just go online and image search that thing, and I ordered a replacement. That's just another capacitor that I had laying around from an old washing machine, so that worked out well. But I ordered a new one, and I'm gonna replace it today with the correct one made for this dryer. We have to remove this side panel. Let's do it now. There are two screws here and here. On the back side there are a few more, and on the front in the lower corner there's one. Gonna remove it now. Okay, and this capacitor is held in by one screw here. This is apparently a mains filter capacitor. That's what I searched for, found the correct one, ordered it, and now we're just gonna replace it. So undo the screw here. First remove the wiring. So after removing the wire, just take out the old one that's broken, but this was just a replacement, wasn't made for this, so that's why I need to change it. It wasn't right for this model. Get the new one, slide it in place, put the new screw back in, and rewire it. What you have to pay attention to is that you have to get the polarity right. So this goes to the live and this is the neutral. The connector back in, get your neutral wire, grounding pins back on. I've replaced it with a new one, and also for the old one that was here, it was this one. As you can see, the bottom is a little bit bulged and it has a small crack there, and the white dusting was there, visible on top, so that really helped me out. It is now replaced. The screw is back in. It should work really good now. That was a very easy fix, and I hope this helps someone. So it was the mains filter capacitor. I'll just put the panels back in. You saw how easy that was, and we should be good to go. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I will answer all. Okay, bye.